All right, welcome to the build, everybody. My goal here was to make the lightest weight camper slash canopy I could. Not a fan of the slide-ins. Seems like they take up a lot of room in that bed, and I just kind of wanted something that sits on top. But I wanted something wider than my canopy over there, which is kind of tight for two people. Even for one, it's kind of tight. So what I've got here is this. Right now I've got the frame all mocked up. It's ready to go. I put the sides on and everything already and test fitted on the vehicle. It works good. My first concern with this was whether it was going to be sturdy enough. I used old recycled deck cedar that I ripped down to 1.5 inches, and I've put it on a platform of 3/4 inch plywood. It sits on the truck deck rails, and that's what we're going off of. Frame first, when I put it on and mounted it up there, it felt like it might have some wobble to it, so I was a little concerned about that. But once it was mocked up and thrown up there, it's as solid as a rock, solid as the other canopy that was professionally built for that, or commercially built, I should say. Professional, I beg to differ. Lots of problems that I'm not a real fan of on that. So here we go. I've got it all screwed together. I put a lot of corner bracing in just to keep it square while I was putting the sheeting it. Well, once I put the sheets on, I don't think that those are actually necessary, but I did like the fact that I didn't have to be squaring everything up since it was there already. I could just throw my panels on and cut them. Oh, one other thing that I'm doing to make this as light as possible is I'm using 1/4 inch exterior plywood on everything except for the back end. I felt I needed something probably a little heavier back here just for the door and everything to hang off of, but otherwise not too bad. Next installation will be me putting the sides on and the roof. Thanks for stopping by.